All right, Drinks office hours begin now. In this first session of Drinks office hours, I am addressing a question I get quite a bit from people. In that, what does a dry wine? Maybe I'll start this one over. How do you define fucking A? God damn it, we're gonna put all this shit at the end. So in this episode of Drinks Office Hours, we're gonna discuss the term dry wine. Okay, so I think the wine industry does a really bad job of simplifying itself and getting out messages that are simple to consumers. And one of the things, right, one of the terms that is problematic is dry wine. So what does that mean, right? Now, there are two definitions in my book, and this is how I'm explaining it to you, so hopefully it clicks and you are never confused by the term again. But so one is that a wine could have a drying feeling on your palate when you drink it. Now, that is a wine that you can describe as dry when you're drinking it because of the sensation it gives you in the mouth. And a lot of times you'll get this with bigger red wines, more so from Europe. They tend to finish dry. You're sort of like, like you need food. These are often referred to as food wines, which sometimes mean the wines stink and you need to have something to eat with them in order to make them palatable. But that is one way of thinking of dry. But really, in the scheme of things, the term dry wine just means it's wine that is not sweet. So basically, any wine, the vast majority of wines you are drinking are dry wines, whether that is a Sauvignon Blanc or a Chardonnay or this bottle of Merlot here, Cabernet Sauvignon, what have you. If they haven't gone through any sort of additional process to make them almost into more of a dessert wine, then they are dry wines. So don't get stressed out when somebody asks about, when you see somebody talking about a dry wine, right? Just think of it as a regular still wine and you'll be good to go. I'll be back for more Drinks Office Hours at a later date, but soon.